I'm Anna from WTI. Of course, we all need fresh, delicious water, right? So when we needed to search for our filters for our Samsung refrigerator, we found from the brand Overbest, right here. And it was a 3-pack, which is very practical. Now, one thing that we enjoyed about these when I was doing a search was the good and affordable cost of these items. Usually the filters were very expensive, but this one was a very good price. Now, when we actually received them, well, guess what? The filtered water was very good, fresh, and awesome. Now, we already have one installed, so let me show you how easy it was. My husband was able to install it with no problem at all. Saw how easy it was to install it. Additionally, one of the other features that we enjoyed was that it, of course, it has its instructions, but not just that, it has the month, so you can be able to set it up. You put the label on the filter and you know when it's time to change it out. So if you're looking for good filters for your water in regards to your refrigerator, again, ours is a Samsung, so this brand, the Overbest, is very good. We love the taste and freshness of that water thanks to these filters. Go check it out, guys, and that is my point of view.